friends, fam, everybody watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Shanice.
And we're Oddly Even. So today we're going to give you the very first official tour of our van. Alright, for starters, I'm going to show you guys what we like to call the living room.
We don't really use it for a living room, honestly. We actually use it for storage when we're in bed mode or stealth mode, what they call it. We use big duffel bags about this big, store it here. We store our shoes and stuff here very neatly. When we're traveling, then it goes to the back. But that's what we use this usually for. Sometimes Kevin likes to come up here and watch his videos and things like that. But we don't really do much up here in the living room area. We usually use the bedroom the most. Alright guys, so the second thing we want to show you is our partition, or we call privacy curtain. So we use it mostly at nighttime, sometimes in the daytime because it actually helps with the heat, believe it or not. But at nighttime it works. And the next thing I want to show you is this cool thing here. So the EuroVan already is a camper van. It already comes with a lot of like cool, I don't know what to call it, but it comes with a lot of cool quirks and things like that. This is one of them. So lots of storage under the seats, as you see. We use this side primarily for our curtains, sometimes electronic devices in our shoes and things like that. Then on this side we store mostly our cleaning products because we like to keep our little tiny place clean, and our toiletries, things like this, you know, for the porta potty, gloves, spray. You gotta, you know, be clean in here because it's a small space. You don't want to be stinking and all that. But yeah, disinfecting wipes to keep all that in there. Alright, so let's take you to the kitchen.
Alright, so Shanice just showed you guys the front room, living room area, and now I'm going to show you guys the kitchen. So right here we have this igloo cooler, got it from Walmart, I think it was like 10 bucks. This is where we keep all of our cooled items. So your waters, drinks, things of that nature. We don't really drink a ton of crazy stuff. I know you see
another one.
Mind your business. But yeah, this is what we just fill it up with ice. I'll typically go get ice after work, or I get ice at the beginning of the day. Fill the ice in there, put our waters, Capri Suns, sodas, whatever we're drinking. I'll put it inside there while I'm at work, while Shanice is at work. The drinks will be chilled, so when we get off work, we have a nice, cool area to have drinks. Under here as well, that's being separated by this board right here that we use when we put it in bed mode. We have our kitchen area. So the entire kitchen area is stored up under this panel. And from here we have paper plates, snacks, cups, even other little knickknacks. It almost becomes like a catch-all area for things that don't have a designated place, but this is our kitchen area.
I know you guys are burning to know how we go to the bathroom. This bad boy right here is a lifesaver. It's a porta potty that we got from Walmart. It was like $60. It's a really good investment, honestly. We use it only to do number one. We don't do number two in it, no. Like I was showing you guys earlier, this it's like a porta potty deodorizer or whatever. We use that to keep our house or our van smelling clean. despite, you know, having a toilet in here, obviously. And we got plenty of spray and stuff too. We dump those in here and fill it up with water, and we clean it once a week. Every week we dump it in the toilet at a public restroom or something like that, and then we clean it out really good in the public sink somewhere, spray it, wipe it down and all that. So yeah, this is what we use. Like I said, it's usually, we only use it honestly at nighttime. Like if, you know, sometimes when if you're like me anyway, I go to the bathroom a lot when I'm at night, when I'm sleeping, like through the night, so this comes in handy. Versus some people, they just sleep through the whole night. And this probably won't even help you, but it works for us, so that's what we use it for. But during the daytime, we don't even use it because we're not even here. Yeah, that's our porta potty.
Alright guys, so for those of you wondering exactly where do we store all of our things, we have exactly 4 places that we store them. So under here, this is our storage number 1. Our middle area, this is storage 2, storage 3. And then you've already seen up front, but I'll show you again, our kitchen area, which is our storage number 4 behind this cooler. So under here, it's typically Shanice's clothes and these 2 bins right here. Over here in the middle, it's kind of a catch-all. Whatever we can fit under there, miscellaneous things go here whenever it's in bed mode, and we'll show you that later. And under here, this is where we store all of our beach things. So we have a mat, we have like 2 chairs, I have an umbrella, almost like emergency items. We also store our machete that's right there, so if any of y'all want to play around and act foolish, then you know, get a foolish reward. Right now, we're gonna show you how we put the bed into bed mode. Alright guys, now we're gonna show you how we actually convert the van from this lounging mode into bed mode. Let's do it. All right, I know what you're thinking. Things are totally different setting, all that good stuff. My clothes changed. Right. This is actually shot roughly a year later. We have the tiny home now, video coming on that later. We're not living in the van anymore. We retired it. And yeah, this portion is to talk to you about the electronics that we use in the van. I'll keep it very brief. I'll have a list here on the screen that you can see of the different things that we use, and I'll also have video playing of some of the things that we utilized while we were in the van. Alright, so if you've made it to this part of the video, this is it. I'm done. This is my outro. As know, thank you for watching this video. If you learned something and if you like this kind of content, you know, feel free to subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later. Go ahead and like the video. That helps the YouTube algorithms out, and that lets me know that you liked what you saw. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Until then, my name's Kev. Peace.